You got donkey over here. Perra loca! Oh, oh. Oh shit!
You're gonna fall off. You're so dumb. No!
Hey, buddy. Hey, how? What? Oh. You're an ass.
This dog loves to watch horse racing. This pigeon wanted to go on a plane ride.
Hi, you're so cute. Oh my god!
You're a lucky cat, man.
She was crying, and instead of helping her, her cat decided to judge her.
What are you doing? Stop, Jerry. That is so rude. Oh my.
It started to rain, so they all ran inside.
Oh my god, gunk bird, go fly. So close, we're here. There's the gunk. Oh.
Give me the best scream. Whoever got the best scream. You, alright, I got you right here.
Right here, do right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Move her ear,
Right here with my fingers up.
her ear, bro.
This dog was upset because they got rejected.
Dale. Dale.
Have you ever seen a cow that looks like The Rock?